Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I'm sure you all doing good. To all my returning and recent subscribers, you're highly welcome back. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. So without wasting some of your time, I'll quickly show you guys the ingredients that I put together to achieve this delicious rice. Here we have our tomato, our chopped onion, scotch bonnet pepper, carrot and garlic. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the oven to dry up. Here we have our chicken. These are my spices. You can use any spice of your choice, but I'll be listing all the spices I use in the description box. Be sure to check that out. So I've just added the spices, the onion, chopped onion, a cube of Maggi and a salt to taste. So I'm going to give this a quick mix, cover it up, place it on the oven to start cooking. I usually cook this maximum 20 minutes because it doesn't take long for it to cook. So while that is cooking, I'm going to bring out our rice to wash it. I love this rice so much. It gives the best of outcome for jollof rice. This is basmati rice. Okay, here I'm going to go ahead and wash this rice thoroughly until all the milky colors are all gone, until it is crystal white. It's very important that you wash your rice before you start cooking it. In that way, all the starch will be gone. It also helps your rice not to clog together once it's done cooking. And also it's advisable to use warm water instead of just using cold water to wash your rice. Okay, so that's a good tip that I have for you guys today. So it is now white. It is perfect at this point. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that aside and check on our meat. Here our meat is cooking beautifully. I'm just gonna stir this. I haven't added any water since it started cooking, so I'm just gonna turn this and then add water gradually. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this water for the jollof rice, so I've just added enough water and I'm gonna cover this up to continue cooking. Here our tomato base is all dried up and I'm gonna add this to the blender and blend it to paste form. So once it's dried up in the oven, you don't actually need to to start drying it up again in the pot because you've already drained off all the moisture from it. Just blend and then use straight on. So that is done. I'm gonna go ahead and then start cooking. As you've seen, I've just added olive oil, and once it's heated, I add my onion. Here is our tomato paste. I've just added that in. I'm gonna give this a quick mix. So after like about 3 minutes of frying this, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding our ingredients. Here we have our spices, the spice that I actually used previously while cooking the meat. That's the same spice that I'm using here. I've just added the remaining half of the cube, the Maggi cube. I used one for the meat and then one for the rice. Okay, so I'm just gonna add our rice, give this a quick mix, and then add our chicken stock. Okay, and mix this together and add a bit more water. The rice is already coming together, so I'm just gonna stir this properly, cover up and cook until it is tender. And not to forget, we're going to be adding our secret ingredient, bay leaf. Bay leaf is so good for jollof rice. It gives jollof rice a very good flavor. So if you've not been adding bay leaf in your jollof rice, just start adding it from today. You're going to thank me later for that. So I'm just going to cover this up and allow it to cook until it is done. Okay, so when you press it and it is soft, that means that the rice is done. So here it is perfectly cooking beautifully. It is done at this point. Yes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and check how the rice is by pressing on the rice. If you press the rice and it dissolves, that shows that it is done. Okay, so here I'm adding our vegetable. This is the final stage. Okay, here we have peas, we have corn, we have chopped sweet bell pepper. So I'm just gonna give this a quick mix together. Okay, and our rice is ready to be served. At this point, you don't have to leave your heat on. Just off the heat and allow the remaining heat from the rice to to cook your vegetable, because this vegetable, they don't actually need to be cooked for long. Just steaming is enough. Okay, so I'm just mixing everything together because at this point it is done. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching up to this point. I'm so glad that you watched up to this point. Thank you so much. Please do me a favor by liking this video. subscribe if you have not subscribed. Comment down below what you think about this recipe, okay? And share my videos. Share my videos. Thank you guys so much. This is the final result, guys. Isn't it looking beautiful? It is looking delicious and it tastes delicious as much, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so grateful. So be sure to stay safe wherever you are and know that Jesus loves you. Keep walking by faith and not by sight. See you in my next one. Bye.